Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text to speech in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and for example, I'm going to add text to speech to this design. If we want to use text to speech feature in Canva, we can go to the apps menu right here, and then we have to search for the voice studio. Just type in voice studio and then you can select this one. Okay, and just wait for a moment. It's still loading. All right, and here you can choose the voice you want to apply to the text to speech. You can select male or female, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just going to select this voice, and after that we're going to add the text. We can go back and then we can go to this menu. Here you can manually input your script, or you can also select audio from your design, and I'm just going to select from my design. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and after that we can click on generate a voice, or actually we can upload our script. If you want to upload, go to the upload menu, and I'm going to generate voice from this text. Okay, click on generate a voice. Okay, and now it's still loading this. Okay, and now the text to speech has been added, and I'm going to play it. Wait.
Let's discuss the impacts of climate change on our planet and the steps we can take to address them.
Okay guys, and that's how we can add text to speech in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.